My name Cornelia Thunder, and we on Popo TV.
Who is we? So tell me the difference of the team this year from last year, as far as players, as far as style of play, your defense.
Last year we weren't so much of a running team. This year our whole goal is to run the court and outbeat our team, because we noticed last year when we did outrun our teams started to get tired, other teams started to get tired, they couldn't keep up. So this year we're just a fast-paced team, and our main focus is cutting hard. Last year we was worried about three-pointers. This year we in the paint, driving it.
Okay, so